Welcome, today I am with JBL Charge 5 and the iPhone, and I'll show you how you can connect these two devices. So at first you have to turn on your JBL Charge 5 by pressing on the power button once. Next, click once on the Bluetooth icon to move the speaker to the pairing mode. Right now on your iPhone, go for the settings, tap on the Bluetooth. Of course, you have to enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and after a few moments JBL Charge 5 appears on our list, so we can tap on it once, and after a few seconds we are successfully connected. I will show you that everything is fine. Let's play, for example, this video, and there we have the ad that we can skip for sure.
My mind about them. Do I think this colorway is now amazing? Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Kim's Down Roots. My name.
Yeah, so as you can see and as you can hear, that's how you can connect JBL Charge 5 to your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.